everybody. In this video we're going to talk about identifying direct variation equations. So in this topic you're given an equation and you're told to identify if it's direct variation. Remember, direct variation is the equation y equals kx. We don't have any addition or anything on that. Now if I were to solve for y in this equation, I would get negative 5x plus 5 equals 8y, and then I would have to divide by 8. So that would mean y equals negative 5/8 x plus 5/8. There is addition there, so this is not direct variation. For the next one, if I were to solve for y, because I want to get y by itself because that's what my direct variation equation is, we get y equals 2/5 times x. Now this looks just like y equals kx, with k being 2/5. So here we have direct variation and k is 2/5. That's all we do for identifying direct variation equations.